How to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can hide photos or your post on Instagram without deleting them. So let's just get started with the video and see how to do that. So for that, all you need to do is head over to Instagram first, and you can go to your profile in order to look out for the post that you posted on Instagram. So if you want to hide your photos on Instagram but you don't want to delete them, this is the method you can apply up. So all you need to do is head over to the post that you want to hide, and after that click on the three dot at the top of it. And when you do that, you'll be finding this option called archive. Use this option instead of the delete option from the last. You can use this option called archive. Tap on it, and when you tap on it, it will be removed from your timeline but won't be deleted permanently. If you want to view the post that you've just hidden, all you need to do is go to this navigation bar at the top, and after that you will be finding this option called archive. From here, select this drop down option and select the second option, which is called post, and after that select the post that you want to make reappeared in your feed, and just go ahead and tap on the three dot beside it, and you'll be finding this show on profile option. You just need to go ahead and click on it to do it. So that is how you hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.